check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
How's it going, guys? Electron Man will check it out. Is this not cool? An Afterburner Plus. I think these are made by, I'll have to look at it. I think High Gain or something like that. One of them names that are pretty big into the CV back in the day. Yeah, this is a cool little 2-tube amp I picked up here. Got it on a really good deal. I got it priced right. We'll have to see what we got here. It's complete. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's, you know, for its age. No major scars or anything. Of course, it's got some beat up on it. But the cool thing about this little guy is of course, it's an AC tube linear. Is that it's perfect for like your stock, a little stock Cobra 25 or 29, something like that you want to pump up to 100 watts. Basically, if I remember right, this guy with a good set of tubes would probably do 60 to 80 watts dead key or RMS, and then probably swing 140, 150 PEP. Not bad. I mean, a good little heater to have on the CB for, unless you want to get into the really big watts. This will get you out 50 miles or so anyway. It'll definitely pick up the old transmission range. But anyway, I'm really excited. I found it. We're going to get in here. I'll hook it up to Variac and kind of bring her up slow and see if we got any dead shorts or anything. Get it open, see what we got going on the inside there, and we'll kind of work from there and bring this one back up. I definitely intend on getting her up 100%, and I don't know, I might keep this one. Kind of unusual. I like the size, the footprint of it. Might modify it, add a fan. I can see where this could definitely use some type of cooling on it if you're going to utilize it for any period of time. But anyway, let me go ahead and get her open. Let's take a look at it, guys. Okay, guys, here's the inside of her. I've already started to go ahead and I've already found one major problem here is in that tube right there. If you don't see that white right there, that tells me that tube's off gassed. Also, if you look real close, you can actually see a crack here. So I don't know, probably was running this thing really hard, and they probably got her too hot, and she cracked the tube and cooling down more than likely. But yeah, right off the bat, I opened it. As soon as I opened it, I can see that tube right there is off gas. So I'm gonna have to go do a little hunting, see if I can find a tube for this. I don't think it's too uncommon of a tube. Let me go ahead. What is the tubes on this guy? Let's see if I can get this tube out of here. What are these? And lovely. This one doesn't even say. It's a 6JU6, so that means a 6KU6 or 6JU6. This is pretty common too back in the day. I should be able to find one for around $10, maybe $15. But we might have a pair. I actually need to obviously hook them up to the tube tester and see what we got going as far as quality of tubes here. In fact, I might just do that here in a second. Go ahead and see what we got as far as the other one goes. See if I need to order two or one tube. But just looking at it, I've already hooked it up on the Variac. Kind of brought it up just slowly. Didn't see anything crazy as far as current pulls, so I don't think we got any dead shorts in here or anything. So we're probably good there. It could sure use a good cleaning. Other than that, man, this is a nice design. I like the way this is laid out. Simple. Really simple. Hopefully you're getting a good look at that. I'll try to. Never seen one quite compacted as this. It looks like pretty good quality components. Actually, not a whole lot of electrolytics. It looks like we've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, we only got 5 electrolytics. Look at them old can type transistors there, but yeah, very few Mallory's. Those are good. Those are actually good caps there, or good brand. I haven't had much problem with those steel caps like that. These plastic ones, iffy. But yeah, before I go tearing the caps or anything, and I think we need to get some tubes in and see what we got going on. So far, so good. This looks really good. Let me go ahead and stop this and get the tube tester out. Let's see if we can't test a tube or two. Okay, guys, I forgot to turn the recorder when I was testing the tubes, but you've seen me test tubes before, though. It's, put put it in the right socket, hook the right switch settings, and push and test the tube. But anyway, this tested 85%. So, and I noticed this one doesn't have a. Actually, there is the. Yeah, this is a 6JU6. Same as that one. Anyway, so apparently, I'm guessing maybe, and they're different brands. So, this is a realistic Lifetime. Can I go to Radio Shack and get a replacement? Used to these Gold Line Realistics were Lifetime. I want to go over to Radio Shack. Oh wait, I can't go to Radio Shack because they're gone. Dang it! Radio Shack, you done me dirty. I should be able to go get a Lifetime. This should be a tube I should go get replaced for free. And this is a no-name brand. So anyway, I'm rattling on here. Yeah, let me with the magic of the internet. You know, the next time you'll be on here, I'll be back and have a new tube to put in here. But man, this thing took some serious heat. I don't know if you can see that or not, but look at that crack. This wouldn't take anything to just completely fall apart. But it's got a crack that goes all the way from the base all the way up to the top. She's definitely degassed. And realistic, wow, Lifetime. I remember these Gold tubes back in the day. And when guys running amps, they'd go in the Radio Shack and buy one of these. You pay a little bit more, but man, you could cook tubes all day long, and they'd stand by it and give you another tube. Anyway, guys, I think maybe this will be part one. We'll come back part two whenever I get the tube in. That might take a little time. I'm anxious to see what this guy does and see what else I got to do to make her work and get her cleaned up and restored. Have a great day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. This is Electron Man. Hit that bell as well so you'll know when the next cool video is coming up on this.